The biggest part of this project is something that I lack, and that's patience.
Well, the first thing we're going to do is see if we can get a good center punch on this.
All right. Well, I love it when a plan comes together. Hey friends, welcome back to the shop. If this is your first time here, I'm Art. If you did not catch our last episode, it was walking through the unexpected purchase of the transmission pan that we had to add in, plus the bolts, plus the filter kit and all of those things, all of which were not planned, like many other things on this truck itself or our Mustang. So this episode, we are actually going to extract the bolt that is broken off in the transmission. A few things that we're going to use: one, punch; two, a bolt extractor kit; three is a left-handed drill bit kit from Harbor Freight. The biggest part of this project is something that I lack, and that's patience. So this is going to be a real big test for me because we cannot rush drilling these bolts out, or the bolt out, or we run the risk of breaking off the drill bits or running out of drill bits. So we got to take it slow. So let me go ahead and dive in and show you exactly what we're working with here. All right, here we are underneath, and there's the little culprit. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this out without any other issues. All right, big thing once again is patience. So we're going to start small, not the very smallest, but we'll start with number 2.
Well, the first thing we're going to do is see if we can get a good center punch on this. The bolt is broken off unevenly. I'm not sure if this is going to work.
All right. Well, I love it when a plan comes together, and this one actually did. So both the bolt extractor and the left hand bits were absolutely perfect for this job. I can't believe that. Everything that was supposed to happen happened. Maybe we're on a good luck streak. I really hope so, because we have a lot of work left to do on Harold and a lot more episodes coming this way. So if you have not subscribed and you found some value in this episode, we definitely encourage you to do so. With these parts, they are inexpensive tools, and if you're doing any type of restoration work, motor work, anything like we are here in the shop, They're great to have on hand, so if you come across some of those broken bolts, you're ready to go ahead and knock them out without having to spend time going to the stores and find them. So we'll put the links to those parts actually in, or not parts, but tools in the description box for you to take advantage of those if you need them. Otherwise, thank you once again for tuning in. We certainly appreciate you. We look forward to seeing you again soon. And until next episode, take care, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.